everybody and welcome to my channel. My name's Tabby and I make videos on motherhood, lifestyle, interiors, hauls, all that kind of stuff. It's a real mixed bag on this channel, but if you'd like to be part of it and join in, then I'd love for you to subscribe. Today I thought I would do a Primark haul. If you watch my previous video you'll see that I did a kind of come shopping with me and I went a bit mad. I haven't got a problem, I promise. I've got a Primark problem! So my Primark hauls aren't normally that massive because I don't tend to really buy that many Primark clothes and stuff. But this time there was such a lot there that I just couldn't resist. So yeah, so this Primark haul is massive. So I didn't really get too much in the homeware section. I was looking for a Primark plastic plant, but I just couldn't find one that was suitable. But I did pick up this super interesting, for £6, laundry bag. Woo! I picked this up just because it's white and gold, which matches our bathrooms, and I'm just hoping that this will solve the problem of everybody leaving their laundry everywhere. I'm going to encourage everybody to put it in this, and hopefully this will make my life a lot easier, which will be £6 very well spent. Thing I got with these 10 hanging photo clips. Absolutely no idea at all what I'm going to do with them, but they were super pretty. They're like holographic shells and glittery stars. I did have the intention of using this on kind of like my wire rack in my office, but that's copper. My whole office is kind of themed like coppery colours, so these won't probably go at all. I'll try them, but I'm sure we'll find an interesting use for these somewhere. And then the next thing I got is also for my office. This is this little quotation chalkboard. It's just got this like coppery coloured frame. This isn't normally the sort of thing I'd go for. This was £3, but I have a hook going begging in my office that's got nothing on it and it's been driving me nuts for ages. And I just thought this was really cute because I could write myself maybe an inspirational quote. I've been lacking a bit in motivation just recently, especially since like going back to work after maternity leave and something. It's been a bit of a shock to the system. So I thought maybe I could write myself something inspirational on here that will give me a bit of a kick at the backside when I need it. And then moving on to clothes, for £5 I picked up this just spotty sweater. I just thought this would be really easy just to throw on over some jeans and just make quite a cute little outfit. So I picked up these super high waist skinny jeans in this like dark blue indigo colour, and these were £9 I think, yeah, £9. And these are just super high waist and super stretchy. They really are super stretchy, and I'm just hoping these will be really comfortable. I can't bear tight waistbands at all, and I haven't made the best inroads into losing all of my baby weight yet, so I really appreciate added stretch. I also picked up the same pair in a size 12, a size down. These were reduced to £4.50, but I'm hoping that I can actually start to make a bit of progress into losing the last of the weight that I actually put on when I had my baby. I haven't felt any pressure at all to kind of like get a move on and lose the baby weight, but he is 14 months old now, and I just think to fit back into my clothes and just feel a little bit better for the summer, I would like to like start making a bit of progress on that. So I thought I'll get these in the next size down to try and give me a bit of motivation to fit in them. I can get in them, but it's very tight. So the next thing I picked up was just this little t-shirt for £8. This is black, but it's got all these lovely multicoloured tassels on the front, and I just thought this was great for injecting a bit more colour into my wardrobe. I am in a massive Breton stripe rut, so I was just hoping that maybe this could offer a little bit of colour, a little bit of movement, you know. Not sure how these things will wash, and I'm sure once I have a little boy pulling on them they won't last any time at all, but I really liked it, so I thought I'd give it a try. And if you've seen some of my other videos you will know that I absolutely love anything, and I mean anything, themed nautical. The more I could dress like a pirate, a sailor, anything to do with the sea, the happier I am. And I've just said I'm in a Breton stripe rut, so guess what I bought? More stripes! But I couldn't resist this. This is a lovely quality like sweater, and it just says Mon Chéri on the front in blue, and I just thought this was really very nautical, great for the summer. The only thing is it is cropped, so I think what I'll have to do is wear like a vest or something underneath it, maybe a red or a white vest underneath it. But I thought with those high-waisted jeans this would look really cute, so I really like this, and it was £8. Possibly to wear under that, I got this red t-shirt which was £5, and it says fabulous on the front in kind of nautical rope. So another nautical number, which I absolutely love. And I just thought maybe I could wear this one under the crop jumper, and then just put this kind of like over the top of the jeans maybe. I don't quite know. I might do a outfit of the day kind of like Instagram post when I put all this together. Wearing too many Breton stripes, she said. So what does she buy? Loads of stripes. This was £4, and it's just like this off the shoulder like nautical stripe bodysuit. And again, I just thought under those jeans this would just look really sweet for the summer. And then I got a pair of the mandatory 90p Primark flip-flops. Not very interesting, not much to say about those. Oh my goodness. You'll have seen these if you watch my Come Shopping With Me video. So shiny. Honestly, these are the most comfortable things I have put on my feet in a long time. I just tried these on and they are just so comfortable and so glittery. I was like, what is not to like? I also got them in gold. I always think when you find like something that you really love, I don't know, is anybody else like that? If you find something that you really like, you get it in like loads of colours. They had got blue as well, but I just thought gold and silver would generally go with most things. But these, like, the camera does not do these justice. These are just so sparkly in the light, and especially in the sunshine these will just be so glittery. And I just thought to add a bit of something to kind of any summer outfit, you could slip these on with shorts or jeans. They'll take you from day to night. There is just nothing I don't love about these shoes. These were £8 a pair. Like, I just thought they were like so lovely because you can wear, I can imagine you like strolling around on the promenade in these during the day with the sun glistening off like the shiny bits, and then maybe like in a nice beachside cafe or bar at night. I say all that, but I've actually got no holidays booked at the moment, so you know, no beachside cafes for me, so I could just wear these, I don't know, to Tesco. Next, I picked up some bits for my little boy. I am terrible for like stashing stuff in the next sizes up, and Primark have got a whole range of t-shirts for boys and girls that were all priced at £1.30, so I picked up a few of these. So I got this one, which is like paint splatters, a camo number. I got him a little white vest for the summer, this one with a little Union Jack on. And these are all really nice quality t-shirts for £1.30 each. And I thought especially for kind of days out where you might get a bit messy or at nursery, they'd be absolutely brilliant. So that's why I picked up a stack of those. Then got him some little camo trousers, which were £4.50. Just gonna say his daddy likes camo trousers, so he can match his daddy. You'll have seen this in my Come Shopping With Me video. I had to buy it in the 2 to 3 in the end. This has got this shiny panel on the front that says make some noise, and it shines kind of blue and green, and Daddy is actually a drummer, so I thought that this would like go with that whole kind of like music theme. So I just thought that was really cool, and that was £3.50. which is more than I would normally pay for like a Primark t-shirt, and I'm hoping this stuff actually lasts on here in the wash, but time will tell, we will see. So back onto my nautical theme, I picked up these pack of two t-shirts, which were £4 for the two. This one is just navy blue with a little striped pocket, and this one is kind of a lovely kind of thin meshy type knit material, which I think would be really cool for the summer, and that one is just like plain stripes. And then on to the best bit, which is the super exciting little bag here. This is where all the goodies live. So everybody's going crazy for the nude collection, and I picked up some bits from that. I got this matte and gloss collection. Not gonna lie, mainly for this iridescent-y shiny number on the end here. but there's some lovely colours in there. Matte liquid lipstick and lip liner in Fling, and that was £3. I picked up 2 of their Nudes matte lipsticks in Birthday Suit and Naked Flame. 2 of their eyeshadow creams, but I've just realised I thought I picked up the 2 metallic ones, and I picked up 1 metallic and 1 matte. Grrr! These were £2 each, but I'm really excited for the metallic ones. Boo! I picked up this Gold Rush highlighter palette, and I'm so excited for this. Alongside Nautical, I absolutely love anything gold coloured, and I'm so excited. Look at those 2 colours on the top. Like, all the colours are lovely, but I don't know if you could see, like, the shimmer on these 2 at the top. They are such pretty colours. I am so excited for this. Got 2 lip liners, 1 in Biscuit and 1 in Cupcake. These were just £1 each. And I got this berry palette for £4, and this is all kinds of berry toned eyeshadows, which is probably the wrong thing to buy going into spring summer, but there are some kind of like quite nice pinky blossom toned eyeshadows in there. So I'm hoping maybe I could do like some spring looks with this and it isn't too kind of autumnal. I then got these little mermaid nails. I'm so excited for these. Like, these were £3. You know I'm like with my nautical bits. I never ever get round to wearing fake nails, but it's nice to know they're there, just in case you should ever get some child free time where you can rock some amazing nails. But I didn't want to miss out on these. I'd rather them be in the drawer so I know that they're there, so should a chance ever occur to wear some mermaid nails, I have them ready. I got this hair bow. Not sure why, just because it was there and it was shiny. Got this 3-pack of little bows. I just thought these might be sweet for creating like little hairstyles in the spring. There's a silver glittery one, a pink one, and a sparkly one at the bottom. Picked up some anklets. Anklets aren't a thing I've ever worn, but I really like the one at the bottom with the little leaves on it. These are only £2, and I just thought to kind of help add a bit of interest when you're just wearing some kind of like very plain flip-flops. These might be quite sweet. And last but not least, I did pick up these earrings. These were £3, and I thought actually there was some quite interesting ones that would be kind of work appropriate in here for when I have to go to meetings. I especially quite like these ones. They're quite like contemporary styled. So that's everything I got from Primark. I hope you enjoyed seeing my haul. I am going to do a video showing you kind of some swatches of the makeup and stuff, but I didn't want to do that in this video because it would be super long. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got from Primark in March, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.